This video lesson is on dividing algebraic expressions, specifically how to divide something by a monomial. So when dividing a polynomial, the rule that we follow is just like multiplying by a monomial in the sense that each one of these terms, 2, 3, all of them are going to get divided by the divisor, the term outside. So this is the polynomial, and in this case it's the dividend, the thing that we're dividing, and each term gets divided by the divisor. So this one here gets divided, and when we do that division, we follow the rules just like multiplication, where we divide the coefficient by the coefficient, and for the variables, for the powers, we subtract exponents if it's the same variable. So this quotient is negative 5 x to the power 2, because 3 minus 1, and y to the power 1, 4 minus 3, and so we just write y. And I'll do the same thing with 27x squared y to the power 5 divided by 3xy cubed. That's going to be 9x to the power 1 y to the power 2, or 9x y squared. And finally, if I have a coefficient of 1 or negative 1, like negative 3 divided by 3, I just write that as minus, and I'm left with x cubed. And that is my answer. So a couple of things about notation, and then one about one other rule. So in terms of notation, this notation, brackets divided by a monomial, or a polynomial over with a long division line, a monomial, these mean the same thing. And similarly here, these mean the same thing. So that's one notational thing. You might see a division in one of these two forms. And the second thing is that in an example like this, just to show you, first I would divide this. So both of these two terms in the numerator will be divided by the denominator. When I divide this, 14 divided by 7 is 2. A, I'm going to be left with a to the power 6. And b, I will have b to the power negative 4. So 2, a to the power 6, b to the power negative 4. Now, when we have an expression like this with a negative exponent, we have to rewrite that. So I'll show you that in just a second. This is going to be minus 5, a to the power 1, and b to the power negative 1. So these have to be rewritten because I can't have a final answer that has a negative exponent. And so just the variables with negative exponents, those will move from the numerator to the denominator and be written with positive exponents. And that is all there is to it.